Psychographic segmentation divides buyers into different groups based on lifestyle, personality, opinion, interests, etc. The power of big data influences most of the decision made for psychographic segmentation. When a customer approves an application to access personal information or cookie on the website, they start leaving the digital footprints that is usually tracked to observe purchasing habit. The data is used to analyze attitude, personality, lifestyle. Big data not only allow the collection of details about applications and device used by customer but also provide real-time access to personal information such as access control data, personal characteristics, along with phone number, private message, social media presence, and other data served on a user phone. User online behavioral pattern, time spent on each of the site review posted about restaurants or hotel, visitor locations along with any payment done online are tracked using big data. Organization can access psychographic information precisely by tracking a user's activity on social media, online platform, online product purchase, or use of mobile application. A significant amount of detailed information about a user is accessed by social media website, search engine, and mobile application. Digital platform access this information to create detailed plans for psychographic targeting and also influence online behavior. It's safe to say that with big data they know who the visitor is, what does this visitor does online, and also why they do what they do. The organization can implement big data method like linear logistic regression to understand and map psychographic traits to customize their website layout, color theme, and product according to the tracked psychographic quality. Personality. Market researchers can conduct a segmentation based on personality to form a group of people with similar personality traits. New products can be launched to cater to various personality, and new features also can be developed for the analyzed personality. A few defined personality are creative, emotional, friendly, opinionated, introvert, extrovert, help organizations to filter the customer in a systematic manner. Market researchers can conduct a segmentation based on personality to form a group of people with similar personality traits. New products launched to cater to various personality, and new features also developed for the analyzed personality. An organization uses psychographic segmentation variable to develop product according to most of customer personality, which can help in boosting sales. In the past, many laptop, car, perfume brands implemented the customer personality for better marketing activity. Lifestyle. Various research have to be invested if multiple products are to be created for multiple markets. Product results can be saved if segmentation is done on the basis of lifestyle, and product development can also be made more credible. Example, if a shoe manufacturer intends to design shoes for various sections of the market like athletes, office goers, students, dividing groups according to customer whose lifestyle revolve around cycling or running, those individuals who prefer formal shoes and similar items. Segmentation. This way, the manufacturer can produce shoes that cater to every lifestyle likes or dislikes, and which in turn will help in building a brand that develops shoes for every market segment on the basis of lifestyle. Various resources have to be invested in multiple products that we created for multiple markets. Product resource can be saved if segmentation is done on the basis of lifestyle, and product development can also be made more credible. Social status. Generally, the social status of people primarily decides the products they use and their preference. Each social class has a choice of clothes, shoes, foods, car, electronic. For example, elites would generally prefer solitaires, luxury cars, holiday homes. A luxury car brand would target only the elites and not the middle class of people. This segmentation type can be helpful for brands that have a niche product service to offer, which would not be helpful to all social classes. Activities, interests, and opinion. Based on what activities are the customer inclined towards, which topics are they enthusiastically interested in, or what are their opinions about a specific matter. These parameters are called AIO, activities, interests, and opinions. There are some viewers who love watching stand-up comedies, and there are some who prefer Narcos or Wild Country. Be it thriller or comedy, the common activity here is watching online shows. Depending on the preferred activity, a researcher can determine preferred products and services and build marketing strategies to cater to varied activities, interests, and opinions. Attitude is an intangible parameter that provides insights into the basic nature of a customer. An individual attitude is molded by the way she was raised and the cultural background. Each prospective customer will have a different attitude, which can be a variable for psychographic segmentation. A person belonging to a high-income group will prefer dining at premium restaurants and drive for Mercedes-Benz, and a middle-class individual will be bothered more about saving a few extra bars and not honesty. Attitude is intangible parameter that provide insights into basic nature of customers. It is molded by the way she was raised and the cultural background. Each prospective customer have a different attitude, which can be variable for psychographic segmentation. Advantage of psychography. Understand consumer behavior by analyzing the personality, lifestyle, social media. This segmentation type is important when customization of product and service is involved, as it provides details about factors like habits, interests, opinions. It's much more effective than geographic or demographic segmentation. It's an extension of behavioral segmentation and offer options to divide the production based into attitudes or preferences as well. Main objective of behavioral segmentation are identify segments based on the behavior displayed by customer, determine how your product or service satisfy the needs of each segment. Customize the product or service to meet the needs of consumer. Create marketing campaigns tailored to a specific segment and increase the probability of purchase. Allow organizations to know the brands that consumers purchase most frequently and identify the competition. Behavioral segmentation divides buyers into groups based on the knowledge, attitudes, users, or response to product, occasion, special occasion, holiday season, benefits, sort, quality, service, convenience, user status, non-user, as user, potential user. User is free. Light user, medium user, heavy user. Loyalty, status, brand, loyalty. Occasion segmentation divides buyers into groups according to occasions when they get the idea to buy, actually make purchase, or respond to a product. Help to build up product usage. Advantage. It allows organizations to find customers with similar buying habits and behaviors. It enables organizations to understand customer needs. Organization build brand loyalty in the most like-minded customer. Disadvantage. Consumer behavior is changeable and cannot always be predicted correctly. It only provides a frame of reference based on personality and behavior. Because it uses qualitative data, it relies on certain assumptions for forecasting, budgeting, and spending.